This video will demonstrate how to assemble the remote scanning device. First, place the flat part of the scope on a flat surface, such as a table, with the side with the brackets facing up. Next, squeeze the clips of the scope. Then align the bulges on the scope with the indentations on the flat piece and insert the scope while hearing a clicking noise. Now you're ready to attach your phone to the remote scanning device in 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Position your phone on the scanning device by opening your phone's camera app. Now align your phone to the scanning device so the camera is looking through the scope, and the opening of the scope is centered on your phone's screen. Now count the number of ridges from the bottom of the scanning device to the bottom of your phone. Step number 2. Take the band and insert it into the proper position. Step number 3. Place the phone into position and wrap the band over the phone, securing it into place.